In this project, you'll be designing an assistive clip that makes an everyday product more accessible to those with arthritis or a weak grip. You'll begin your journey by following tutorials to design an assistive writing aid, which enables people to use a pen with a wider grip, resulting in less stress on finger joints. A key part of the process involves making small-scale models of clips with varying hole diameters, clip thicknesses, and cutout lengths. The aim is to determine the best values for each variable, to ensure a good fit without having to 3D print and test the whole model over and over again. Once your variables have been determined and integrated into your design, your assistive writing aid can be brought to life with 3D printing technology. Using the skills acquired through designing the writing aid, you're then challenged to make a unique assistive clip, which transforms the accessibility of an object of your choice. Let's get making.